Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook name on Facebook. So if you want to change your Facebook name for some reasons, you have noticed that the process isn't easy as it was in the past. They have changed and updated some things in the settings. But just follow my steps and I will show you how you can easily change your name on Facebook. The process will be same on Android and iPhone. First of all, just open up the Facebook application in your mobile. Tap on your profile picture in the top right and then tap on this gear icon in the top right corner to access the settings. And then you can see the first option, Account Center Meta. You just have to tap on this See More Accounts in Center. This blue one, tap on it. So here you will see all of your Facebook and Instagram accounts that we have. And let's tap on the profile right here. You then want to select the specific account on which you want to change your name. And then you can see these options. Tap on this name option. And then you can change your first and last name. You have to enter your first name and last name here, but you don't need to enter your middle name if you don't want to. Once you are done here, you can simply tap on this review changes and then select if you want your first name or last name to appear first on the profile. Keep in mind that if you change your Facebook name, you won't be able to change it in the next 60 days or 2 months. So if you are sure, just tap on the save button and that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.